Making cheese balls.
Bro, this was a pizza. It was like 2 million.
Stop! So we're doing cheese ball. First, we're going to buy cheese, and we already have flour. I don't know. So this is Lance house. Lance house. Open the door. Lance house. Following Lance.
Oh my god, my dog. Bro, the flower's over there.
Oh my god! The flour! The flour! The flour is inside! Huh?
Inside there?
Oh, yes. Oh my god.
Whereas my mom will see it.
So sad.
So I need to hide it.
Real safe.
Oh my god, you're not videoing.
I'm doing video.
Hey,
Oh my.
Rainbow!
Oh my god!
Rainbow!
It's a rainbow!
Lance, bro, Lance.
Oh,
Let me bring him.
cutie dog.
Rio!
Insane. Hold this for me. Hold this for me.
Okay, Madam.
Insane. Insane.
We need to
Insane.
make
Bruh.
Introduction video.
I know. So this is our second video.
This is part 2.
This is part 2.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Get the flower. Well, get the
So Lance is tricking his dog. Oh.
This is treat.
Get the flower too, Lance.
Treat.
Oh my god.
Treat.
Treat, Rio, treat.
Treat.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I almost fell
We
down.
need some paint. Oh, this one got green.
Okay. Okay. Let's go inside. I'm going to
I've been here before. This is the walls. And now you can
Where's the flower?
Okay, this will be a fake one.
No way.
Is that chocolate? Is that chocolate? No.
He's tricking me.
Push him inside. Okay. Close the door. I'll distract him. Get the flower, guys.
Hey, close it down.
Come on. Go that way. Go that way.
Come on.
Come outside. Lock. Okay, lock. Okay. Oh, bro.
So my friend is
Lance, give me the flower.
so so busy.
Let's put down here.
Best.
Just rashly paint.
Nicole, it's gotta be. I wish Curtis was.
Oh my God! Hop it!
It got. So I'm going outside because my friend is too busy right now.
Bro, you need to.
I'm just watching the rainbow.
Just open. Do not open it.
Lance is getting
stupid.
angry.
Bro, you're not. Oh my
Oh,
God.
we got the flower.
Yeah.
Out. Doing a bell. So today, let's trick the dog. Ate lang said we're gonna let it drown. Bye.
Alright, come on. Well, how much money do you have? 30, I need like 15 more.
Do you have some 5 or 10?
I don't have juice.
I don't. Yeah.
Giting, I don't have money.
I had no money. Mandog. You only want that.
Oh, this is the money.
It's pila na. How much?
Okay. Yeah. 35.
37.
Refund money.
38. I think.
No.
Just need juice.
So look at my friend.
Those try. Those try.
I'm sorry.
We need juice.
I'm freaking sorry, bro. Freaking sorry.
Okay, let's try and buy.
Stop it.
We need juice.
Oh.
Dog, yeah.
We need juice, bro.
Oh,
We need juice. We need juice.
I really need iPhone 17, guys. Please donate for our blog.
For us.
Okay, let's go.
I just broke it.
And
try and buy.
I wish YouTube is gonna watch this. Give us money so we can buy iPhone 17. Hey, the floor! Bring the floor. Come on, please.
I need to open it, obviously. Guys, come on!
So this one is gonna.
I'm vlogging.
Hey,
I'm kicking
bring
you
this.
out in
Bring that.
Let's go.
a moving
So let's
target.
go.
Wait,
this? Let's go! These are so...
Ako bidalaan eh.
Stop.
Ako bidalaan na. Mingo ka iyo.
You.
Okay, I'm gonna blur that out.
No, I'm going to edit this.
Oh,
I'm the one who's gonna do it.
The hide and seek.
This is the last one.
Is this Gigwa? Like Giga Chad, bro. Come on, guys. or else-
Why you stop? Can you stop? Bro, can
Like
we?
paparazzi. Oh, yeah! Said, let's make pizza, and we don't even have an oven, yo. Bro, y'all are so
Wait, I have oven.
Lance got oven.
Don't do it. I'm doing the people.
Oh my God, Lance want to
Bro,
be a
we
soccer
literally-
man.
Me and Ash, we literally beat him and her. Like, we literally...
So we are at Cat House.
My dad doesn't like noise.
So we're at Cat House. Please shut up.
Kamong tulo, dari ra mo.
Please stay. Oh, Joshua, come here with us. Hey, you two will stay. This two is gonna stay. Let's go.
Wait, I think Joshua needs to stay because my father
No,
only knows
Joshua is coming
Lance
with us.
and like magkuha ra ko gis. I stay ra mo dari tanan. I'll just need to get like
Okay,
10.
we're all gonna stay.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna do that.
So, guys, I'm doing the boys.
Lash, be the leader because like sige na
boys
sila sa
What you say, Undang na siya Aston.
Alright guys,
Don't do that. That's mean.
okay guys, can you guys be quiet?
Yeah.
Alright, one more speak and you're kicked out.
Joshua is flirting with the
Ash.
dog. Shut. Huh?
You tildo.
Stop.
Tildo.
Oh,
Yo.
So cute.
I didn't mean to.
Yeah,
I
me
didn't
too.
mean to. I didn't mean
And
to.
I'm very
Shut up. Oh, I don't mean.
He's so cute. He's so cute.
Lance, Lance, you need to send the video at me, okay? Send
Okay,
it
let's
to
go
me.
guys, let's go.
Send it to me.
Oh, si Mando,
Under
kung
the
siya wala man sa
parasol.
Uli.
We're the original gang. See Joshua, see Ash, and
And Kobe.
me. Not Kobe, bro. He's so mean, bro. We're the original.
Where are we going? The story time. Yeah, Mama Ben.
Wait a minute. Wala man sila cheat. Na sila agent.
Yo.
Ano agent cheat? Na sila agent cheat?
Yes, let's go.
Okay, guys, go. Miggy, it's your turn.
I got five. I got 10.
10.
Come
Wait,
on,
come on,
pass
go.
up, pass up. Okay, climb. I can beat them, guys. So let's go.
I'm so tired.
So I beat them at run because I'm good.
Wait, Kiko. Did you say Bobo?
Okay, that's fine. Eating cheese.
Why eating cheese, guys?
Eating cheese.
Idiot.
Where's the eating cheese?
Tol?
Oh my
I
god.
told you guys we're gonna.
Run out.
Oh, it's not eating cheese.
The eating cheese is run out. Run out. Eating
guys.
cheese. Let's go.
We're gonna tabok.
What time is it? Let me watch. What time is it? Oh my god, it's 6:08. Okay, we need to run. We don't have time.
6-8, but it's so like early, bro.
Guys, we're not EI.
We're not AI.
Run, like zombie.
Run!
Run, zombie. Lol. Zombie is coming.
Guys, pretend that zombies are coming. You'll need to run.
Zombie. Guys, we're not AI. A zombie is coming for us.
Guys,
We need to run. Where, girls? We can't run.
No, I can run. I can beat them.
Yeah, I don't care.
You can see that? Each versus I win. One of our team is going home. That one.
Today, 9% is 42.
are we going to quit?
No.
We're not quitting yet. What's not quit?
Girl, pagdali. need to push me. I'm tired. Come on, push me. Push me. Ha! Ha!
Let's wait.
Ah, I'm so tired. Pa, I need to on the light again. God is got the lover. Bro, it's not done and he's watching the video. Seriously?
I ran out of storage.
This is a. Oi, clear na. Clear na. Let and me are tired.
Oh, wait, stay here, stay here, stay there. Okay, go in. My God. So we're at the store. Oh my God.
You guys, split
Oh,
up,
that's
split up.
hey, the cheese is here.
Oh, how much?
25, 25.
Oh my God, we can buy
This one, 25. We can buy two.
Yeah,
go, go.
Asa na?
25?
What is this? Oh, no, may cheese.
Okay, 33. Okay, let's go.
Let's go, guys.
No way. Oh, you need to ask first. I think this one is the 25. Okay, ask. Lance, ask. If this is how much? How much? Go.
And then,
Oh my God, ouch. Wait.
I eat this. Joke lang. Oh, sorry.
Lance is,
Oh!
Lance is asking how much is it?
it's 28.
28? Oh my God.
Buy two.
28. How much is the money?
We can buy two lagi.
How much?
20, 30, 40, 60, 50,
Which is not.
58.
58? No, we can't buy one. Oh my God.
55 plus 25 plus. Oh no, you can only buy one, guys. But it's
Okay.
okay.
No, we need to buy a biscuit, I guess. Okay, come here, Lance.
Like, you need to buy.
Oh, this one.
Oh yeah. How much is that?
I guess ipaas na po na to si Lance. Okay, hold my phone.
Just get one though.
Hold my phone.
Okay, guys.
So we need to be careful because this is not us.
I said you. Hey guys, if you don't got Anita.
Oh
my God, I think this one, bro, mayo.
This one, this big.
Bro, this one.
Oh yeah, for the ano.
Oh, mayo.
For atong sauce.
Yeah. If you don't got Anita, where are we? Bro.
This is our first time asking.
Oh my God.
Okay, move it further. This.
Okay, you need to borrow a scissor. Okay, let's get this all and buy one. Okay, let's go get it.
Okay, get it. Just buy one. Oh, bro, hold your phone.
Oh my God, girl, you need to hold this.
Bro, no.
Girl, no, I'm not gonna buy it. I'm not gonna buy it. Okay.
Bro, it's money mo na. Okay, let's go.
Inapakatawan. How much is the mayo? Oh my God, how much is it? It's our first time buying by us. Okay, come on, go there. Okay, Lance, come here. Lance, ask, how much is the mayo?
What's mayo?
Lance, ask John, come here. Buy one, only one.
Pila ni te? Kaning isa ka bukay nanin. Isa ka bukay nanin. Tara, sukli mo.
26. Oh, we can buy. Oh my God, we cannot buy. We cannot buy.
O, deg mo. Kasulit mo sa deng. Gadel.
60.
Ha? 60. 60 ning isa ka agency sana. Ala, 60 man ni.
Kuya na mo nga, 25. Oh my God, guys, this is so ridiculous.
So like,
Oh.
this is so embarrassing. Really.
Bro, this is so embarrassing.
Wrong. I thought you.
Yes, I thought it's 28. You're lying. Oh my God.
Balik. Ashton, balik ka rin. Ashton, balik ka rin. 50. 50. Hala, kanina dito po.
Now we can buy only that.
It's not go by
30,
or not.
20, 30, 40, 45. We're missing 5. I mean, 2.
Goddamn.
45. Namin tag 40 dito, tiga tong big time.
Big time.
Okay. Dali na.
Okay, okay.
Asa tapit mo, May?
Oh my God, guys. Embarrassing kayo ni.
I think.
Be, ako be.
Oh my God. This is so
Lons, I thought your savings abot na 100. Ronnie. That look good.
Guys, we're not gonna get attached.
So embarrassing. So this one.
How to get saving?
Every time.
195
How much all?
here.
No, let's buy it a candy.
Oh, let's go buy food. Fruit No.
Why? What?
Then shut up.
Oh my God, it's turning nighttime, bro.
Palit ka na. Eh,
Sito.
Ilay sana.
Sito ba?
Dos ang isa, so.
Ito ba mine?
Dos ang isa.
So 8.
Katag, bye. Ito nga yata, ito nga ta.
No, we pay 8.
Ito nga ta.
We pay of 8.
Ito nga ta. Ito nga ta. Ito nga ta.
Good, wow.
Bye.
Oh, tunga sila, tunga. Oh my God. Uy, everything kayo mo. Uy, ang flower. Wrong. Girl, you're so embarrassed.
May rock gum.
Stop running! Here, follow me. Ayaw, sabong tago. Run! Asyan! Ayaw, Asyan! Ayaw!
Ito ko ay si Aston.
Ayaw ka! Yes! 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 Mabuang mo, guys.
Okay, guys.
Embarrassing. God is not about. God is just about.
Ulit na mo
We survived.
Kami lang nag-himo.
All na mo guys, they are going home. These 2 kids.
And Manda got eliminated.
We survive. We're doing vlogs so we can earn a money.
What is this? What is this? Is this butter?
Please support for our star, Dream Star. Embarrassing.
I think I got it wrong.
Kakading, kadung, kadung, ding. Oh my God! Hala! Ay, hold it! Girl, no, you're so...
Girl.
But oh my God, can you hold this one, Dag?
Me.
Let's hold this.
Embarrassing day.
Oh my God!
Embarrassing lagi kayo mo.
That's so ugly.
Mas
I literally paid for
stupid.
this though.
Malibang me.
I literally paid for this.
Let's go. Joshua, come.
Joshua, are you going home too?
Joshua, let's go.
Bye-bye. Padayon na ka, Lance. Oh, so kita lang duha di ko makamit.
We're making it 10. Karang 10 kaya ang powder. Embarrassing kaya ang powder. Yes, wala na to siya. Dalo man yung house. Okay, ikaw, Ashton. You can come with us.
Oh my God, look what happened.
So embarrassing.
I wanted to get revenge on Joshua
I'm going.
because he always slapped my butt.
Big time.
It's so embarrassing today, bro.
You put. Wait.
Ako pong anak. Ganina po sa taekwondo. Sige na kung i-correct sa teacher. Ito yung embarrassing moment ganina
I don't know.
sa school.
Wala.
Wala ka niya sa school?
Nandito mo kung pero wala ko embarrassing.
Pidangog ka na ni Iro. I think the adults will handle it.
Oh, I don't. We
Look,
keep walking.
this is what happens when we don't.
We don't have adults.
I don't think so. Okay.
Okay, just let him come.
Okay, fine. Come on, Ashton. Get up.
Embarrassing. Okay, guys, it's embarrassing because this is our trial.
These are our trials for embarrassing moments.
If this video got basher
They don't care.
because all of the people got embarrassed moments.
Okay, guys.
Okay.
Need to cut this.
But you got this light. So I love cheese, so let me open it. I'm the one who's unboxing this one big time. Oh, satisfying. I could love boo boo cheese. Woo! Unboxing it. This is my first time trying the big time cheese because the one that I love, the cheese that I love is Eden cheese. Unboxing it. Oh my god. Smells like Eden too. So okay guys, come with me. I'm gonna take some small one. Oh. Tried it. Tried it. This is kind of sweet.
Oh, it's like
Look like Eden cheese.
Oh, it smells like it.
Finally. Feeling it out. Satisfying.
Oh my god, guys. We have a grater. Wait, let's put our phones over here.
No, we don't need to grate it. Because we're gonna chop it.
Wait, I'm gonna start on the dough, I think.
Give me that.
Okay, I'm gonna get
Look like pastillas. Pastillas? Pastillas? Pastillas.
Wait. I'm gonna drink some water. Some water. Because we are. This is not a rich account, guys. So don't think that we're gonna travel all around the world.
Yeah.
It's only us two and him. They are not here. Because girl, kani girl. That is all kani girl.
So guys, I'm gonna chop it.
I'm gonna make the dough, guys. Well, actually chopping.
Okay, let me chop it. Excuse me guys, because I'm a chef. Kat is a chef too. I think mag-chef na lang nito.
Maybe, but I think I'll be FA and a chef. Oh. Like, I'll be them too. Like, I'll have 2 dogs.
Is this good? Is this good?
It smells like double cheese mix.
It's for me, it smells niya kay Eden cheese.
Yeah, really? It's like all the same thing.
But tamis ni siya gamay.
You take a bite out of it.
No.
Ash.
No!
Ash, I know you're lying there.
Okay, this one. I'm taking it out. Okay.
Okay. You just needed to tell the truth, not lies. Okay, I'm gonna make. How many scoops?
Don't
Roll the cheese, roll the
No, we need to roll it.
What are we gonna make? Oh wait, karong Saturday ka mag-sell? Yeah. Then karong Sunday ka mag-roller skate? Okay, I think this is enough. But I'm gonna add like one more thing. Ate, Ashton! Hey, Daddy! Ayaw lagi, Daddy, Ashton. Okay. The trick is to add water slowly, not like fast. Why? You know, Ashton, because
Nang wifi.
Okay.
Gali, send na ako gula. Ay mo video. Para mag-edit. Then ako pa send mo.
Okay, I'm gonna add water a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna add like this water. And I'm gonna mix until it's like a nice dough. A nice form. Okay, okay.
Mura siya Eden. Pero tamis.
Okay, I don't like this. Oh, okay. Di ba, Kira? Ato mo dito. Ato mo dito siya ba? Okay, fine. Sit here. This is my baby sister. Well, I'm... Put it back. Put it back. Okay, I'm gonna eat it. Eat it.
I feel bad.
Okay, stop na. It's literally sour. Stop playing with that food.
I'm going to help you.
No.
Ano sarang mo gugong girl?
Kanina lang mga buwan. I was going to go to school, but then wala ko ka, wala ko kita pa.
Oh, kasi kita ganina.
Naabot na may mga 1 over. Sa pila ba? Mga 1 over. Ipalikod kita na siro.
Ito bang nagkakitag motor?
Ha?
Nagkakitag motor.
Layo. Ato mo dito Ashton please. Oh, ipa ulit ka ron. Ato mo dito sa pira. Para like nasulit na siya ka muna. Okay, I wash my hands guys anyway.
Me too, I wash my hands.
Okay. Yan na miss. Not gonna waste anything. Don't tell me don't tell me
Girl, magdagan ako. Girl, flour. Kadagan naman cheese.
You want na girl?
Yeah, bye. No, I love the carrot.
Save them like 7 para kapag nilang half lang. 12 lang.
Dagan na gama.
Yeah, wait lang. I just like medium
It's
this.
ready, guys.
Okay guys, I'm gonna add another.
Let me see if wala yung chop.
I'm gonna add 3 more scoops. Since Ash wanted me to, so I'm going to. If ever na tayo controversy girl, wala ka na bang i-blame ka for something. Then wala na to kimo, dapat tama speak up ka.
Yeah.
Like wala na to kimo, pero blame ka na kimo.
I'm born to be Belen.
That's kind of cringe saying that on camera.
I'm not scared.
If somebody hates on us without wala sila reason, wala ka tayo na to nila. Wala na to okay.
What is sauce?
Yeah, but it's okay. You have ketchup. Okay.
Ay, magamatag niyo.
How can you make it? Wait, you only need egg and then touch. Wait, how do you make it?
Diba guys, wala pa matay wala.
Itadakimasu, itadakimasu, guys. I don't know. I think it's thank you for the food. Itadakimasu or like thank you for the food. I think itadakimasu.
Girl, i-give na ako ang account ko sa YouTube. It's ready. Give me it now.
No, it's not done yet. I'm literally just moving it back.
Wait. I think my dad is finding it.
You will know you're here, bro.
Come on, give me. Pagkama ko more.
Okay, guys, this is my hand right now.
I need oil.
Yeah, this is
Get oil, girl.
My oil.
Give me.
The oil is literally right there. Don't give it.
Okay, let me get it.
Oh, this is the oil.
Oh my God, gawin mo lang tayong oil.
Okay, bye now.
So guys, magkano ka din oil. Oh, that's good.
Wait, can I give me?
Yes, okay. I'm gonna put it on my hand. And put here. Okay. And
We have a lot. We're gonna make a lot soon. And if like na left over like kanang flour, we can use it for karong Saturday. Yeah. Because we're gonna sell them instead of eat them. We're gonna sell
so
them.
today, this is our second time making it.
Oh my God, it's my mom. My mom is gonna leave again on August 12th
Why?
because nasi pa na. Let
Give me some. Tanong normal flour.
Let's get it. Don't password, bro. Let's get it. Okay. Me and Lance, literally like kami lang duha nag-donate. But okay guys, since yung puti kami, rich man kami. Me and Lance, Black is very rich. I like middle ko din silang. Ngayon, how do you describe your family? Because if I describe your family, maybe I'll get offended.
No, I'm not gonna.
Can I say you're like Porgamay?
Yeah.
Ashlyn and her family is Porgamay. Ashlyn has
Word!
Porgamay!
Word, kayo may girl.
Porgamay,
That's
girl!
so rude. I don't like it. Stop saying it.
Can I say, no, bro, you have to do what I'm saying. Ashlyn and her family has lots of conflicts, like, sige sila away.
Girl, can you stop saying that?
Okay, never mind.
No, muna sa camera, girl. Not gonna do that.
If ever makamake sa something wrong, girl, in our like YouTube channel, we should apologize na yun. Like, maka-mistake ka?
I don't care.
Mahimo ka sa mga YouTubers, girl, kasi na-cancel na sila. Girl, are you mad, girl? Girl? I don't know what's happened, Josh. She's very upset right now. I don't know what's upset. She quite a lot, though. You Don't let Anilo. You're weirdo. We haven't spoken about our age yet.
My friend go home.
I should go home. You know, Sakira. Don't double half.
It's pretty likely that we'll have to live in here for a long time. So just to be safe, let's make sure this place is ready for that scenario.
Oh, you think really don't worry too much.
Well, back to the matter at hand. Let's start by expanding the space inside the shelter a bit. And to do that,
No, no.
build staircases and a loft.
How will that work?
Well, just watch. I guess I'll build the staircase over here like this, and this will be our loft. And I'll do the same on the opposite side. All set.
Looking good.
The color of the stone is a bit dull though, so I'll spruce it up with some quartz blocks. Next, I'll make a glass railing. Okay, by doing that, we made this area up here into our second floor, so we can use the space more efficiently. Moving on, I'd like to build a kitchen on the first floor.
Cool.
So to build a kitchen, I'll start by sectioning this area off with quartz blocks.
Interesting.
I'll put some kitchen stoves here and a circulation fan on top. I'll also add a kitchen sink and some refrigerators as well. We'll also need a dining table to eat at, so I'll make one right here.
Of course.
Alright, moving on. We'll need
Didn't you add egg or flour?
So I'm really gonna stock up our refrigerators. I'll put more over in this one too, and let's put our drinking water over here. That should be enough for us to survive in here for several years. Alright, moving on. Let's make a living room for us to relax in.
Great idea.
I'll put a television here and a sofa too. Now we'll be able to watch the news from the outside world.
Whoa.
I guess that's all we need.
TJ, you're forgetting something.
What is it?
We don't have any beds. I don't want to sleep on the floor.
Oh yeah, you're right. It slipped my mind. Well then, let's make this space into a bedroom. I'll start by placing the beds. Then I'll place some nightstands next to them, and then some
You know,
beds on
wait,
top of those.
I told you not to.
And there's the bedroom.
Thanks, TJ.
Oh, but wait, we forgot another extremely important thing.
What is it?
We're really gonna need a bathroom.
You're right.
Let's make a bathing area and some toilets.
Let's do it.
First, we need to make a space to put our bathing area and toilet in.
Sure.
We'll expand this way to make another room. Good. This should be just about big enough. And to keep the blood rain out, let's cover the room with corrosion-resistant granite.
Yeah, it'd be awful if it corroded.
That's right. We'll do the floor in polished granite as well. Nice. Alright, we have an area for our bathing area and toilet. So now, let's put a bathtub here, and I'll put a shower stall over here too. Then I'll put the toilet here, and then this sink to wash our hands in. And with that, our bathroom is ready.
Whoa.
Now, if we end up staying in the shelter for a very long time, we'll get really bored without any entertainment. So I'll also put the latest gaming computer to our shelter. I'll install these sturdy doors. And our anti-blood rain shelter is complete.
Yay.
Let's head back up to the surface.
Look,
and see
look,
how
look,
it's
look,
How our house is doing.
Girl, you're big. Eight coffee.
I'm kind of nervous. I wonder what it's like up there.
Yeah. Do you think it's safe?
Oh boy.
I'm pretty worried. I hope the blood rain hasn't gotten inside. Just have to hope it's okay.
I'm gonna go back and I'm not sleeping.
The first floor looks okay. We finished prepping sooner than we had to.
Oh no, Mikey, look! Quickly into the shelter, Mikey! The blood rain is pouring in! Okay, first we need to close the hatch. Good. Now quickly make a run for it. Okay, closing the second hatch. Got it. That's the last hatch, right? Alright. We'll close these two. Oh, great. We made it in time.
That was such a close call. We just narrowly avoided touching the blood rain. And what's worse, our house is completely ruined now.
Well, now we just have to stay in our shelter.
Oh,
Ah, guys, my roll up. Ah. Kapira, stop mo! Kapira! Tama. Ikaw sa diri, be. You're gonna get some. Tulot na lang ako para madali. Ay, ma, ibalik ko na siya. Tapo here, tapo this, tapo that. Oh, tapo that. Yeah, ito. Oh, the dirty. Oh my god, the cheese just popped. Okay, tayo.
That's good. Wait.
Oh my God, you know?
Nag-pop sila. Nag-pop na sila, guys.
So you know what to do.
Oh my God.
Sige, lunch time. Sige na, nagpapalaki sila. Ay, tatapos mo ko na juice nila.
Di drink daw niya.
Oh my God, napagod. Oh my God, girl. What do you think? I don't give the pagod one to Lance. Okay.
Help!
Oh my God, dali ka na magluto, eh. Ikaw magluto, girl.
It's a cheese ball.
Go, girl. Oh my God, girl. Girl ng knife, girl, ha? Ano, girl? Girl ng knife, eh. Mabaan ka, TikTok. Ay, TikTok. Kanang YouTube, okay, guys. Muna na video here, so. Sige na, no. Take our life.
I can fix some. A big size.
Come on, wait, kain ka. Sige, give me. Roll this into the
Yan sa gamit.
Oh, chunky. Ow!
I think I know why it's lying on me.
Ow.
Girl, put this on like so high heat. Put it on like medium heat, no? Not high.
Hindi na siya cook.
It's so hot.
It's like, nani na heat on, nani.
Hmm.
Look like it. Is it bad?
No.
Is it good?
It's okay, guys. Bye-bye. It's all. Another song.
Nawa na girl, kay maigo jud ka girl. Dito ako sala, girl. Kuha ng mga burned ones, girl, kay pahatan na kanilang. Like, it doesn't disturb it. We're gonna get Lance and Joshua's reaction if Joshua is even there.
Look, guys. We're making the
don't
sauce.
want
The
to-
barbecue sauce.
Like, it looks so good. Like, these look so good, but they're like kind of bad. We didn't add egg to the like flour, and it's so bad.
But the sauce is so yummy.
Yeah, the sauce is so yummy, guys. I could literally eat this with egg, like the egg, like it's the egg sauce. Reaction.
Wait, this is with cheese balls and with barbecue sauce.
Oh, there they are. Look at them. They're...
Hey, guys,
Well, I don't think that's them.
Lance,
Wait, I don't think that's
it's
them.
them. Come on,
No, it's not them.
Lance, it's them. No. So, guys, I saw Joshua. Joshua. Oh my God, Joshua cannot try this one. I feel bad though because Joshua go home. Look, it's Joshua.
Oh, it's just
Let's go.
ding dong.
Ding dong.
Special delivery.
Oh, it's open. Oh, close the door. Close the door. Hello. The food is ready. Try it. Let me get mogo mogo. Give me some.
Wait lang. Okay, Lance. Is it yummy? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you lying?
Are you lying? Are you lying? Huh? This is yummy?
Eat more.
Eat more. It's more, Lance.
There's a cheese on it.
More, Lance.
Yummy
Is it yummy, Lance?
or ugly? Ugly or yummy?
Is it yummy?
If you smile, it's ugly. If you don't smile, it's
Let
my God,
me
real.
talk. Let me talk. Is it good when you have
Do you love the sauce?
but there's so many of
So you don't like that?
You don't like it, Lance?
We will make it 1 hour.
Gani, we'll make it 1 hour. We spent a 1 hour making it, and you just sit here watching, scrolling on your phone. Like, it looks so yummy.
Yeah, look. We made so lot and we
comment.
make and we make big ones.
Stop it, bro.
Paparazzi.
No, we need to show you more reaction.
Do you like it, Lance, or do you like it?
Do you like it or you
I'm
don't
not
like it?
eating.
We make it so
Lance, where's my cup? Where's my cup, Lance? Where's the cup I gave you for like your juice? Lance,
What?
where's the cup? Ay, katong cup na kaya na katong may juice ba? Katong murag may jelly juice, then katong murag may milk. Where is it, Lance?
I don't know.
Hey, give me mugo mugo. Mogo.
Yeah, you can have it.
Wipe it off, bro. Oh, she didn't wipe it off. They kissed. Bro, you didn't wipe it. You literally kissed. Okay, I'm gonna go home. Let's balik the.
Let's finish it all. We make it for 1 hour.
If you don't finish it, Lance, you hit us and you're not a part of the move it, fight it, bro.
Give me.
Lance, go, Lance. Like,
My God, how rude are you?
No, I saw it then.
Try this small one. The small one. This is have a lot of stuff. This one.
it has a lot of protein.
Try the small one. The ganyan ng cheese.
Oh,
Show off. No, you show off. Diri ang ang cheese. Bite, take a bite and let it show.
Go.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna tell you, it has a bug in it.
Let me see.
By the way,
Hey.
Lance, it has a bug in it.
There's no bug. Girl, stop pranking
Bro.
Lance.
Bro, why did you go along with the prank? I ordered choco.
If you stop videoing,
Okay, goodbye, guys.
Okay, bye, guys.